Hello everyone, I'm Aditya Kumar Paswan, student of Government College of Engineering and Leather Technology. Today I will discuss with the coding part. Before the coding part, we have to follow some instruction. We have to install Jupyter Notebook, install Python, install Pandas, NumPy, Scala, Matplotlib, Joplin, Flask, course library in command prompt, then create ML model, then create API, then have to create UI file by using HTML, deployment ML model with help of Flask, API in user interface HTML file. After this instruction, we follow step by step. So we have to go to coding part. Here is the coding part. I am already in this coding part, so I will let you know step by step. First, we have to deploy the dataset from the Kaggle app with the and deploy it by the pandas library. After the pandas library, you have to go review.save. So you how many columns and row in data sets. And we say 38,932 is row and 5 columns. After that, we have go to review.head. Here we see how data look like. They used user use description, browser used device use response. Here we see here. After you go to review.info, here we see do EDA. We see the user ID, data description, browser use, device use, and device response. Then goes to the review.describes dot transport. Here we see user ID is unique. Browser is value is 11, this device use value is 3 and instrument value is 2. Then we do more EDA understand is so we have to know how much missing value in this model, so you have to find this missing value. So then treat this the data value, have you get have you get the see there is no missing value, so it goes to the next step. Then we see what percentage data is held, like happy sentiments and not happy sentiments. We see 68% is happy sentiment, not happy sentiments, and we have see the graph is done by the Matplotlib library. And after that, we have to remove those data which is not used. User ID was used, devices are not used here. So it goes to the next part. If you have dealing with the test data, so you have to remove square bracket, number, and punctuation. Using the we are working on text data. So after that, we have done we see the updated text here. Then goes to then we cleaning the second one. We have to remove space hyphen blank. So after that, we updated the new descriptions of recent version. After that, we have to training the models in updated version. So we do there is only one is independent variable is clean description, clean description new, and only one dependent variable is this one. This one is target variable. And next I prepared the train data and test data. Here I used TFID vectorizer skill library heavy used for classification and regression stream. We are importing logification pipeline. Pipeline basically used data for done the model one by one. Basically TFID material trans frequency inverse recombinant factor converting the sentence into vector. We say here after pipeline basically vectorizer classifier create model fit as we say here is which which data I will train data is model is training is in background. Look in background. Uh, first input the data. First input the data into the model. Model understand the data through certain thing. Then after we test the new data means the data which is not show you and give the answer. Then we check the answer which is actually answer which is already actually answer is not. Then we do how much answer is right or wrong. As we see here, this is the area. We see the how much give the right answer or not. After that, we have to see how much accuracy percentage. There we see here, there is 88% accuracy. Precision is 9 percent is 90, and recall is 88%. So you out work ML model is work and is the right the, like 88%. Then we will predict the model is work or not. So I will write is I'm unhappy and this predict this gives the answer not happy. So we have to do uh, we have to deploy the ML model into a DB form, so I can extend this service to after application. Then we have to export the ML model. Is simply we have to dump the model with the help of joblib. Actually got the file which all trained model can input after this file in another. So it goes to the second part. Here we see here we have to export ML model. We can import it by using sim library say joblib, and then I say model equal to joblib dot report. Load the model and predict the model and give the answer is right or wrong. So if I'm right, I'm Z, I'm predict this. The answer is not F. This is how it work. Model is work. So goes to the text data file of Python, joblib, Jupyter. So here we uh, create the REST API in Jupyter text file. So if we have to import flags and import requests, we need this the URL to send the parameter app equal to flask dot flask uh, 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 and course import course, because when we are hosting an application outside, let's say hosting like in Flipkart, they are required course library. After that, I have to write app.tout. If you see our right is there working or not working with the, then it goes to the predict import them job lead where I train the model and load this them and train predict this the model and replace it. So after this the made the API, we have to go to the command prompt and write the our test file name python.py and then get a this URL. After get the URL, we have to go to the uh, we have to go to the festival file where we done our user interface. This is our interface code. So uh, deploy the URL here with the help of JavaScript, and then JavaScript is here. So after this, we have to run this model, work or not work. After this run model, we will start debugging. You know, our page, our page is look like, and this is our user interface. If we write here happy, gives you answer happy. If you write here unhappy, it give you answer not happy. If right here, I love pizza. I love pizza. It give you answer happy. So our model is work. I right here is I hate pizza. This is not happy. So our working mode is work. So this is my project. Hope you like this video. Give the comment if you like it. Hope you enjoy this video. So thank you so much. Let's